to a new video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a hard gel set, and I've got some Nail Sugar Silver Mylar. This stuff is just delicious. It's not really, you can't eat it, but it's just yummy. I've got some iridescent butterflies. I don't know if these are current or if they were from last year. Can't remember, but there are butterflies on the website. I've also got some tropical mylar. This stuff is really pretty and it's current. So that is on the website. I'm going to use some other stuff as well. I'm also using my Isla Bling line, which is a white hard gel colour with it's like a white sheen or shimmer. I don't know what everyone will call it, but it's very pretty. I wish I'd used a different colour though. And the Bling line builder gel. Right, so I've got some tips that I've stuck into my Aliana hand. This is the Anais hand. It's a half hand in the shade Autumn, and you can get 5% off this using my code NAT5. Isn't it amazing and super realistic? It's in the shade Autumn. There is a winter, a summer, an autumn, and there is I think there's an Indian summer. They've just brought a new one out as well. I'm also using Arabian Jewels, which is a chameleon glitter from Nail Sugar, and you can get 10% off any Nail Sugar bits and pieces using my code NATMUG10. All the links and discount codes will be down in the description box. Right, so normally if you're doing a set of hard gels, you will prep your nails, then you would, dehydrate, prime, and then you'd go over with a very thin layer of Super Bond, and then you'd probably put a clear base down, but I'm just going straight in with the colour because I'm using my Anais hand from Alina hand, and she doesn't need any prep because she's like the best client ever. So we're just going over with one coat of that Isla. If you're doing this on a set of clear nails, you might have clear tips, then you would probably need to do 2 coats. I wish I'd chosen more of a pastel-y orangey, a pastel orange, some kind of pastel orangey coral colour. I wish I'd chosen that because I don't feel like white is the best base for this. So these are what I would call junk nails. Basically, it's like a little bit of everything thrown in. And I'm not quite sure what I was thinking with the colour combinations that I've chose, but we all go a little bit mad sometimes, don't we? So I've cured the bling line for 60 seconds. Then I have gone in with a thin layer of that builder gel. Now the builder gel is a thick consistency gel. They do a cool one-step gel, which is it's more self-leveling. This one kind of, you put it down and it kind of stays there. Really, it's a good one for not moving. If you know what I mean. Not quite like Acrogel, not like Acrogel. It's kind of like in between a runny gel and an Acrogel kind of thing. Am I making sense? Probably not, but I think I might be. So onto this layer of builder gel, I am putting some of the tropical mylar. As you can see, it's got some really gorgeous pink bits and some orangey bits, and it's very lovely. And I've wanted to use this mylar for a little while, but I haven't. It's not because it's quite big mylar. It's not really ideal for gel polish. I mean, you could do it. I just wanted to use it with hard gel or acrylic because it's easier to encapsulate. I'm going to cure that. Then I'm going to go over with another thin layer of builder gel, and we're going to add some more depth to these nails. Oh, what's that outside? It's a delivery van. I don't think it's for me though. The postman turned up with 2 parcels and I got super excited, and they were both for my other half, so not for me. Right, this is the silver micro mylar. The silver mylar. This is a lot smaller, as you can see, so this one would be a lot better to work with gel polish with. My English is something to be desired. And then what is this? These are the iridescent butterflies. You can't really see them on top of the mylar. to be fair. To be completely honest, you can't see them. So I don't, well, actually, you can, actually. That is a lie. You can see them. I can see them on different nails. I'm looking at this set right now. Also, I'm not quite sure why, but my builder gel has gone a little bit cloudy. It's gone a little bit cloudy. So I do actually use a different gel. I think I use the Cool One Step gel. So on the, what's this one? The pinky. Oh, I took forever to put the butterflies on. Absolutely ages it took me. And I was faffing and I was thinking, just blooming leave the butterfly nats and get on with the rest of the set. But yeah, so this builder gel I am using on the pinky and the ring finger, and you'll notice that it is a bit cloudier than the other two nails, which is a little bit sad because hard gel is normally crystal clear. What are these? These might be, oh no, this is the Arabian Jewels chameleon glitter, or confetti. It might be confetti actually. I thought that was another nice little touch. And then if you see there, you can also get on the Nail Sugar website some gold leaf. I thought I'd add a little bit of gold leaf through. See, I've got silver hollow, I've got gold, I've got matte gold. I mean, what was I thinking? I don't know. I kind of like them. And half of me is like, no, I don't like them. And then part of me is like, yeah, they're all right. And then I don't know. So I need you to let me know down in the comments, yay or nay from you, because I don't know. Oh, also, I'm going to announce the winner of the giveaway, because I said I was going to do that, didn't I? Now, I took a screenshot on my phone of the lady that won, and I can't remember her name right now. I think it was Claire Cook. I'm going to put the thing on here. So if that is you, well done. I need you to comment below how you're going to contact me, and I will wait for your address, your UK address. Remember, it's got to be a UK address to ship the e-file out to you. So well done, and yes, look out for another giveaway soon, because I'm going to do another one. But I've got to wait for my broadband to come back because it's driving me bananas. I'm not sure when this video is going up. It's probably going to go up on Thursday, but it is currently Wednesday. So this time next week, I will have broadband, hopefully. So I've only got a week to wait before the Wi-Fi is back. I'm off to my mum's tomorrow to hopefully upload several videos. Yes. Right, so I have capped that other nail. There was something in that. Yeah, so we're going to do the same thing on this nail, but I'm starting with I wanted to show you this nail because I'm doing it slightly differently. I'm going to add everything onto this one layer of builder gel. I'm not going to apply, I'm not going to go in with another couple of thin layers. So we're just going to go all out on this one. So that is the chameleon confetti. Then these all right, yeah, and then the mylar. I wanted to put the mylar on first because it was a bit bigger. Now, I don't put as much mylar on this nail as I did the previous one. Can you see already that pinky finger looks a bit cloudy? I don't know why. And it's really bugging me because I haven't got a lot of hard gel left. But hard gel is supposed to be crystal clear. And you'll see, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'll have to get some more from somewhere at some point. Right, this is the silver mylar going on now. I'm just kind of dabbing it around in different areas. I'm not, you know, the whole point of junk nails, in my opinion, is that you just throw whatever you want in, wherever you want, however you want. Oh, look, we've added some stars in there already. Those stars are the... Hang on, let me just have a look, because I've forgotten the name of them. They are Nail Sugar's... Oh, I don't know. But they're rose gold hollow stars, and they're absolutely gorgeous. They're on the website too. I'm pretty sure they're still current. And... what is it? Oh, this is the... what is it called? The gold leaf. Gold leaf is a pain in the bottom, but it looks nice. And because it's super, super thin, it's good to use on gel polish nails as well. So again, I'm just adding the gold leaf. Wherever I see a little bit of a gap, I'll just add some gold leaf. And then this is the butterflies. So wherever I've got kind of like spare space or builder gel that I can stick something to, that's where I'm going to try and add something to the nail. Also, does anyone watch 21 Jump Street? Not the film, the original series with Johnny Depp in. Oh, I love it so much. It's bringing back so many memories. It's on Prime, Amazon Prime TV. It's on for free. It's brilliant. I love it. I'm watching it right now. So these are the nails capped. You can see the first two nails are a lot clearer than the last two. I know I keep bringing it up. I don't know why. It's just annoyed me. I thought I was going to have to do the whole set again just because, but I didn't. Right, wipe off a tacky layer. Then you're going to have to file your nails into shape. I went for this really weird oval shape this time. Don't know why. I'm going to just finish filing them, and I filed them and I have wiped them over. I actually took the nails out, gave the hand a wash, and then wiped the nails with some cleanser, some isopropyl alcohol. And now we're going to top coat, and we're going to use Madam Glam's no wipe top coat. You can get 30% off at Madam Glam using my code NatMug30. Did you all make the most of the 50% off code? Did you get any bargains? I love a bargain. I do love their two-day events they do. They seem to be doing them every couple of months. So if you can hold off, wait another 2 months and then just make your list. And then, yeah, in 2 months, go mad on their 50% off shopping day, because you don't have to be a VIP either, which is brilliant. There was something in that. I thought there was a hair. Didn't actually get a hair out, but there we go. So you can see just how clear on this nail, and the index and the middle finger, just how crystal clear. That I just wanted to pop that out a little bit. That's the joy of using a practice hand. You can't do that on a real person. You can just see how clear that middle finger is, and then this one as well. This is the one thing that, one of the pluses about hard gel is the absolute crystal clear consistency, and that there's no stink, and that they're a breeze to file. There's so many advantages to hard gel. So there we go. I'm going to pop that into the lamp now to cure for 30 seconds. And then I will show you a better look. Here we are. Ta-da! Let me know what you think. I'm kind of not sure. I kind of love how see-through they are. I don't know that I like the combination of, although it's a junk nail, it's junk nails. That's what they've, I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you did like this video, please leave me a like. Also, leave me a like if you didn't. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. It's completely free, and you can always change your mind later, though I'd rather you stayed. And discount codes, websites will all be down in the description box. Thanks for watching. Have I missed anything out? I don't know that I have. God bless, and I will see you all in the next one. Love you, bye.